Welcome to another Cubisode. This video is about the DIY asymmetric front grill I created, the Bippu table you can see behind me, and of course some other small updates. So have fun! What happened? I bought a very rare Thule roof rack with the Evo bars, Evo wing bars, very nice invention by the way. And of course, for the bike, an older bike rack. Then let's go inside. We have the project Bippu table, which is still in progress. Magical snapper table mount. Dang! Table prototype. Second step. But what is already finished is the invisible mount, which is very stable with 3 magnets. You can see them here. Just a prototype, but yeah, you can see it's great fit. Then we have an empty Mochida Sai, which I have to load. Yeah, I can show you in the other videos. Don't need a table, but then you need a smartphone stand. No problem. A small wood badge from Whistler. Then we have a very nice small cube from Tokyo. And in Hakona I bought this awesome bookmark. You have to see it in the sun. Fitting perfectly to this woody living room style interior with these nice Saigaiha patterns and stuff like that. Yeah, and you already know the big one. Nothing for shy people when you want to shift, but still great because you have your arm in the right height and not having to put it like this because the angle is very, not that ergonomic. So right now, at first I added some putty on it and try to remove the badge because you see the shape. So it was like 3D coming out, and right now I try to clean it and to put everything in the same shape as the rest of it. So here you already see the putty, so it was nice to add it before. Here as well. Then I want to clean that, close these, and maybe add here a gap, so this will be one big vent. And then putting everything, but let's find out, into forged carbon fiber. But this will be a lot of work. Long time and a lot of work. So to get a little bit cyberpunky asymmetric front end, hopefully we can use spray filler right now and it looks smooth. So the next step was to bring this to a digital life. And at first I tried it with a coordinate system and points and drawing paper. And yeah, it's a curve, and so it's very hard to put this into segments. So I bought this awesome Creality 3D scanner, and now I'm able to do fitting tests. The next steps are bring these two parts into digital life, so other people can produce them or I can sell them. I have to 3D scan the front grille, and I want to make CAD files out of the table so that a professional company can produce them for me. And maybe you can buy it, but let's find out what the future brings. Thank you and see you in the next videos. Bye.